When I first got involved in teaching with technology, I responded to an email that Ohio State sent out offering a chance to go to Cupertino and learn in what they called an iTunes U boot camp. From that, I created one iTunes U course, and I started to really see that the potential was there for this to revolutionize how I taught, that I could invert my classes, and I could, really kind of liberate us from the standard lecture environment. So I took that, and I ended up applying for the first Digital First Impact Grant, which I received $25,000 to put iPads in my journalism class. And my pitch was that we could make journalists better, stronger, and faster if we taught them in a different way. If we equipped them with a device that was really that personalized learning environment, they could have all of their course materials, and they could have all of the tools that they needed to complete their assignments. So they could take notes, they could do recordings, they could have photographs, video, they could edit all of those things inside one device, would make them professional more quickly and publishable more quickly. And what I'm showing you here is the result of that effort. We did a year-long study that was published in the fall in Journalism and Mass Communication Educator. And the idea behind it was that these students, if we give them the ability to do all of the skills at one time as opposed to teaching them more linearly, they would become professional quality journalists that much faster, and they would be published that much faster. And the results that we saw were pretty impressive in the sense that students that would have normally taken about 8 weeks to have publishable quality material, they were able to get that done in 3 weeks. And then the next semester, they were able to get that done in the first 2 weeks. Last semester, we ended up having it in the first week someone was published. So, I wanted to just kind of give you a feel. I've certainly included a link to the paper here, but just so you could, see, this is one of the first papers of its kind in terms of looking at the iPad and journalism education specifically. We were very honest looking at some of the positives and negatives. We did have some challenges. Students went back to devices that they were more comfortable with as the assignments got more difficult, but we really did see an improvement in their professionalism, a much faster development of skills, and really they were much more adept at moving forward and being able to do a wide variety of journalism skills that much faster because of the device that we put in their hands. So I'm very excited to share this research with you, and it's something that I'm continuing as we move forward to look at different ways pedagogically that we can look at how technology is influencing how we teach students in a journalism classroom.